What if I told you that one smartphone from 2022 is still making many brand new phones look outdated? Sounds impossible? Stay until the end, because the iPhone 14 Pro Max might be the biggest bargain in Apple's history. When Apple introduced the iPhone 14 Pro Max, everyone talked about one thing: the dynamic island. At first, many people laughed at the idea. A camera cutout that changes shape? It sounded like a gimmick, but within weeks, it became one of the most copied smartphone features ever. Even today, the iPhone 14 Pro Max feels surprisingly modern. The massive 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display is incredibly bright, reaching up to 2000 nits outdoors. Whether you're watching YouTube, editing photos, or gaming, everything looks sharp, colorful, and incredibly smooth, thanks to the 120Hz ProMotion display. Inside is Apple's A16 Bionic chip. And here's the crazy part: it still handles almost everything you can throw at it. Heavy games? No problem. 4K video editing? Easy. Multitasking? Effortless. In everyday use, the phone feels almost identical to many newer flagship devices. But let's talk about the cameras, because that's where this phone really shines. Apple introduced its first 48-megapixel main sensor in the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it was a huge leap forward. Photos are packed with detail, colors look natural, and night mode produces impressive results, even in difficult lighting. Video recording is another reason why so many creators still love this phone. Cinematic mode, action mode, Dolby Vision HDR, features that were ahead of their time and still compete with today's best smartphones. If you create content for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, the iPhone 14 Pro Max remains a powerful tool. Battery life, still excellent. Thanks to the large battery and Apple's efficient hardware and software optimization, many users can easily get through a full day, even with heavy use. Of course, no phone is perfect. It's heavier than most modern smartphones, and charging speeds are still slower than many Android competitors. If you're looking for super fast charging, you may be disappointed. But here's the interesting question: if you remove the launch date and place the iPhone 14 Pro Max next to many new flagship phones, would most people even notice a difference during everyday use? For many users, the answer is probably no. That's exactly why the iPhone 14 Pro Max has become one of the smartest used smartphone purchases you can make in 2026. You get flagship performance, a premium display, professional-level cameras, years of software updates, and build quality that still feels luxurious. Sometimes the best smartphone isn't the newest one. It's the one that continues to outperform expectations years after its release. And the iPhone 14 Pro Max proves exactly that.